Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I have something new right here. Alcatel Pixi 4. It's a brand new, of course, and I already promised to you guys I'm going to do unbox of this phone. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's the packaging. Very small. Already cut it. So here's the Alcatel. Wow. So here's the box. Very small and cute. So here's some of the spec. It's a brand new. So it has a security sticker. Can't wait to see the phone. Already cut it. So here's the phone with a new plastic. Wow, very small phone. What else? A screen protector, not the glass one. Warranty certificate. Applicable for product purchased in Malaysia only. Yeah, it is original from Malaysia unit. Very nice. A user manual for 4034XD and F model. Warranty card. I'm holding this phone with my one hand because my tripod got the issue, so I can't use it right now. Sorry for that. And this is a battery cover, white color. Very nice. What else? We have an original battery, 1500 mAh. Earphone. USB cable. A micro type. Last but not least, it has a charging adapter. It looks similar like my previous Alcatel One Touch Pop C7. Yeah. Normal. So here's the thing inside the box. We have a phone, email number, for the warranty of course, screen protector, a box, white back battery cover, original battery, original earphone, original cable, charging, and original Alcatel adapter, a manual book, and warranty certificate for the Malaysian unit. Now let's install the battery. So here's the phone. Very small. Inside at the back, dual SIM tray and the SD tray. A battery. Alright. Let's turn on this phone. The phone is working. I'm very excited with this small Alcatel Pixi 4. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new Alcatel Pixi 4 just unboxing in the comment below. And so this is all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.